how to change your terminal cover because you're like me and you want your stuff to look good. So the first step is take this guy off. All right, and then we got a 10mm ratchet here, and we're gonna unscrew it. Doesn't take that much, it'll come right off. Let's put this guy on. Now the thing to know is that there's this little thing right here. And this is what's gonna slip under this. There's this little gap. That slips right on over there. Take this, clip it in. So now it's all nice and snug there. And it's really easy. Just do this, put the terminal back on, tighten it back. And make sure it's secure and snug. You don't want to go too tight though. There you go. Cover installed.